In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop recurring payments or scheduled transfers with Wise. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your Wise account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy because we'll need to access your account to make any changes. If you aren't already logged in, now's the time to do so. Simply enter your username and password on the Wise login page and hit enter. This will take you straight to your account's homepage, the central hub where you'll manage all your transactions. Once you're on the home page, one of the features you'll see is labeled Scheduled Transfers. This is where Wise keeps everything organized for you. All your current and future transfers are listed here, making it easy to see what's set up to go out of your account automatically. This is a key area we'll focus on for managing or cancelling any recurring payments you've scheduled, so go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next steps. In this section, you'll be able to see all the transfers you've scheduled. It's like having a calendar for your payments, where you can review each transfer and decide if you want to keep it active or make adjustments. As you look through your scheduled transfers, find the one you wish to cancel. Next to each transfer, there should be an option available, typically a small button or link labeled Cancel. By clicking this, you will initiate the process to halt that specific scheduled transfer. It's as simple as that. Once you've selected the option to cancel, follow any additional prompts on the screen to confirm your decision. Wise may ask for verification just to ensure that the change is intentional and, once confirmed, the transfer will no longer be active. With these changes in place, you can now be rest assured that your scheduled transfer will not proceed, giving you complete control over your finances. Now, perhaps after cancelling a transfer, you've realized that you need to schedule a new one. Don't worry, Wise makes it just as easy to set up a new transfer as it is to cancel one. From the same section where you managed your scheduled transfers, there's usually an option titled Schedule a Transfer. Click on this to start setting up a new transaction. You'll follow the on-screen instructions to input the necessary details, such as the amount to send, the recipient, and the date for the transfer. Make sure everything is correct before confirming. And there you have it. You've not only learned how to stop recurring payments or scheduled transfers, but also how to schedule a new one if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you stay on top of your financial management.